abundant and versatile natural fibre has emerged with endless possibilities. While completely biodegradable and eco-friendly, being annually renewable and comparatively inexpensive, jute has proven itself to be a dependable alternative to timber, synthetics and plastic. Jute, and all we visualize is ropes, twines, sacks, packaging materials and a few handicraft. But the picture has changed greatly, and now jute comes in a whole range of modern products ready for. In every sector, jute has secured an acclaimed position. Jute fibre, in blend with other natural and synthetic fibres, can create stunning and lustrous fabric that is unparalleled in aesthetic appeal with durability and cost-effectiveness. Fibre can also be used as good quality pulp and paper, thus saving forest resources. Similarly, jute yarn and twines are exported to produce jute-based fabrics for furnishing, home decor, upholstery, blankets, cushion covers and other home textiles. Various decorative items, toys, wall hangings, table lamps, floor coverings, packaging materials, shoes, fashion items are also made by jute and are used to prevent soil erosion and landslides by laying along river embankments, roadsides, hill slopes, etc. Jute plants are a huge source of renewable biomass. Carbon dioxide assimilation rate of jute is several times higher than that of trees. It is estimated that 1 hectare of jute plants can consume about 15 tons of carbon dioxide from atmosphere and release about 11 tons of oxygen in 100 days of the jute growing season. Besides, the production of jute sticks provides double the amount of fibre. Jute sticks are a cheap source for fuel and fencing in villages and have great value to farmers. These sticks are also used to produce particle boards as wood substitute. Jute plant root contains beta-carotene, which helps improve soil texture and enrich soil. Soft leaves of jute plants are also consumed as vegetable. The leaves contain medicinal values.